Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is at Crypto and Mining Updates 2025. So today I've got something really exciting for you guys. So there's a 20% deposit bonus plus extra rewards going on right now on Bank. So on today's video, I'm going to break it down for you step by step on how you can exactly join and claim your free bonuses on the Bank app right now. So basically what Bank has done, it has launched 3 new events, and each event has bonuses on it. So the first event, here it is, event 1, complete KYC easily and get $10 instantly. 10 U to be issued when you complete KYC. That's event 1. Then event 2 says reach the trading volume and win double benefits. So when you reach a certain trading volume, you'll earn a certain bonuses, and here are the bonuses. And the last event, it's about transfer to futures account and receive 200 USDT future bonus rewards. And I'll also break down this event to you. So yeah, let's head on to the event bit by bit. Let's begin with the first event, which is a complete KYC and get $10 instantly. So basically, before we start on the events, first of all, you have to register. So click on register now here, and when you click on register now here, you land on this platform, and here are the events. Let me scroll down. So here are the events. So depending on the one you want to click, you just have to click the first one, the second one, and the third one. But before we head on to this, let's go back to the events and break them down to you. So we were on the first event, which is complete KYC and get $10 instantly. So yeah, so basically for event 1, if you're a brand new user, what you have to do, you just have to register and complete KYC verification, and you get your bonus instantly. And basically what you have to know is that this reward is limited to the first 200 users who complete the verification. So it's only limited to the first 200 people who come and complete KYC on the Bank app. So on a first come first served basis, the future bonuses is only valid for 3 days. So basically what this means, it means that this $10 is only valid for 3 days. So what basically this means, it means that you just have to be quick. So if you haven't joined and done KYC, just join, do KYC, and get your 10 in your future bonuses. So that's for event 1, complete KYC and easily get $10. So yeah, let's head on to event 2. Event 2 says transfer to futures account and receive 200 USDT future bonuses reward. So here is how this event works. So what basically this means, it means that if you transfer at least 100 USDT into your futures account, you will get a $20 bonuses. You can see here 100 USDT. If you transfer at least this amount of USDT in your future account, you will receive a $20 bonuses. So for 200 USDT also, you'll get a $40 bonuses. And if you deposit 500, you will also get a $100 bonus. And if you deposit 1,000 USDT in your future account, you receive the max amount, which is 200 USDT bonus. So when you deposit these amounts in your future account, you will receive these bonuses written beside here. You can see 20, 40, 100, and 200. And yeah, if you are good with this event, you want to join them, just have to come here. You see the first event was to open, so you click here, open an account if you are a first time user. Then for the deposit into future, you click here to deposit into futures. So let's head on to come back. Event 2 is that these rewards are settled weekly. So make sure your funds stay in the account until they are credited. So the funds you deposit, make sure they stay in your account for like almost 1 week before your bonuses are deposited into your account. That's when you can now withdraw them. So yeah, that's event 2. Let's proceed to the last event, which is event 3, which says reach the trading volume and win double benefits. So basically what this means, it means that when you trade in futures, you're going to earn based on your cumulative trading volumes. That's why you can see here the accumulating trading volume. So if you trade 10,000 USDT, you get $5 future bonus reward in your account. If you trade more than $50, if you trade more than 50 USDT accumulative futures trading volume, you get $10 future bonus in reward. So what basically this is, it means that like the higher the higher you trade, the bigger the bonus. The more you trade, the higher the balance you use to trade, the larger the bonus you're going to get. That's why you can see here when you trade 1 million USDT, you get 200 future bonuses deposited in your account right away. So yeah, reach the trading volume, then win double benefits. So those are basically the three events in the those are the three events that have been released by the L Bank Exchange app. Then we also have the time to register and event started, and the time on which this event ends, which is 9th, 14th, at that time 9:00. Then you have the terms and conditions here. So basically all of these history. These let me just tell you the important conditions that you must remember. So bonuses expire fast. You know, event 1, like for event 1, it lasts only for 1 to 3 days, and event 2, which is the event 2 is the transfer to future account, receive this amount of USDT, lasts for last for 7 days together with event 3. So these bonuses usually expire fast. And the other thing you also have to note is that only new users are eligible for these bonuses. So if you're a new user to this, then basically this is just right for you. Join the L Bank app, do KYC, get your bonus, trade, reach a trading volume, get your bonuses, deposit into futures, get your bonuses. Then the other thing you have to know is that rewards cannot be combined with other campaigns. So basically these campaigns are selected, they're selective. These are different with the other ones, and they cannot be combined. So cheating, using multiple accounts, or suspicious trading will make you get disqualified. This means that your account may get banned, you're going to get disqualified, you won't get any reward. So yeah, what you'll just do, if you're okay with the campaigns, you'll click on register. I'll provide my link on the description of my video or on the pinned comment. So you'll click on that link, it will take you to the option for registering. This is which after you've created an L Bank account. So register, do the KYC part, or just register. When you click on register, you land on this page, this yellow page, which you'll have to scroll down to where you're going to see where the events are. So yeah, here events. So open an account now. So you'll just click open an account now, and it will take you directly to opening an account. Then you do KYC, get your bonuses. Then deposit to your wallet. Click on deposit to your wallet. You're going to see automatically it's going to take you for the on the options for depositing. So you're going to select your token, network, deposit, copy the deposit address, then proceed to deposit and get your bonuses. So that's for depositing, which is event 2. Then for the third event, reaching a volume, trading volume, you just have to come and click on start trading here. You can see start trading. It will take you directly to your account. So this is after you have opened an account. Then you'll have an option to proceed on these other events. So yeah, just trade, reach the limits that I've just talked about. I've just talked about the bonuses. So yeah, trade, reach the volume, get the bonuses, and yeah, wait for 1 week, withdraw your bonuses plus your crypto that you have traded, and basically that's it. Make sure you join and get these free bonuses. So if you're new to L Bank, this is a perfect chance to you to boost your crypto journey. So just register an account, complete KYC, deposit and trade, grab your rewards. Don't wait. The event ends September 14th, 19th. So it means you still have time, and the link will be below the video. So if you found this helpful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for more crypto updates, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next videos. Adios.